Need sheet metal fabricating or laser cutting, or even laser tube cutting? Meet the mile-high fabrication gurus.
Here's an example of a panel that we laser cut, roll, weld, powder coat. Silk screening is part of the processes we offer. Hardware in and ship on scheduled due dates. Because our job is to save you money, but yet make the best product for the value.
Here's Bill, our sheet metal guru.
We are a 30,000 square foot facility located in Littleton, Colorado. We do electronic cabinets of all sorts. We do weldments, we do big tanks. As a job shop, we'll make what you need made. We have 2 lasers, including a state-of-the-art 6,000 watt fiber laser with automation, laser tube cutting, plastic laser cutting, punches, 3 bend brakes, finishing department, hardware department, small machine shop. Our laser goes up to 1 inch thick, 5 foot by 10 foot sheets. Just some samples of different non-metal materials we cut: acrylic, ABS, Delrin, wood. We can do carbon, aluminum, or stainless up to 1 inch thick, copper up to 1/2 inch thick. Well, this is an aluminum part that we laser cut, form, de-burr, brush finish, and then we put hardware into it. So after we laser cut or punch a part, we're going to go through and de-burr the parts, which runs through a graining process, which is called time saving, which gives a beautiful finish, perfect for powder coating, or just as a nice finish to give to your customers. One of the new features we're offering with our new laser is part marking as we cut. So a part can be identified on a shelf 2-3 years down the road. A few years ago, we had a customer come to us with a tube part that was proving to be very expensive. The problem with the part was they were losing 30 to 40% of the parts in production, and at best guess was costing them $38 a piece to machine. We put it on our laser tube cutter and we're cutting them for under $12 a piece and having 0 loss. Another simple tube cut problem that came to us was this part. They needed them in large quantities, and from a machine standpoint, they're difficult and consume a lot of material. This part in production is common line cut, so we'll make 2 parts at once and waste no material. With our laser, we have a reposition process where we can go anywhere from 2 inches up to 60 inches long very easily. And it's not just round tube we do. Some days we do square and rectangular tubes. We have high-end pieces like this where the parts are cut out in a V and collapse in, and so once welded together, you have a stronger piece with a nice outside radius to it.